Welcome to Dayspring Trailers. Today we are looking at 2026 Cargoking Lancer trailer. This is 6 feet wide by 12 feet long, sitting on a 3,500 pound axle. Let's walk around, look at some of the options. Of course, it has all the LED lights inside and out, diamond plate on the front. We upgraded the side door to a 36-inch RV style side door, so you can lock it from inside and out. If you walk around, you notice the nice flares of fenders on it, big diamond plate tail lights. Walk around it. It is a ramp door. We also added 6 inches of extra height. We also upgraded the ramp to a medium heavy duty ramp for just more support if you put something kind of heavy in here. So you see it's got a beautiful finish inside. All square tube construction. No C-channel in this trailer. As you can see here, we use square tube, not C-channel. Much stronger. Don't have to hammer supports between the roof frames. Well-built trailer. Come check this trailer out. Let me close the ramp door so you can see it with the door closed. There we go. Spring assist. Closing with 2 fingers. Nice and easy. There's a look at the back. You can notice the big LED light up on top as well. If you have questions about this trailer or any other, you can call us at 503-666-7300 or reach out to us to dayspring.com, and have a wonderful day, and thanks for looking.